They are the ultimate minimalist. Not alive, yet endlessly powerful. A tiny crystalline structure of protein and fate. Inside that shell, nothing but a blueprint. A rogue set of instructions waiting for a host. Look around you. Every drop of water, every cubic meter of air holds a microscopic army, unseen, unstoppable, and ancient beyond imagination. They represent the largest gene pool on the planet, a shifting library of biological possibility that no cell, no creature can rival. In this journey, we'll uncover the hidden world of these molecular ghosts, how they shape evolution, rewrite DNA, and blur the line between life and death itself. From the viruses that gave rise to human memory, to those that protect our oceans, and the ones silently rewriting our genes as we speak. They are not monsters. They are nature's code, evolving faster than life itself. And their story is the story of us. Hello, you're watching the Fun Facts channel. And the hero of today's story is the virus. For decades, we carpet-bombed infections with antibiotics. A chemical storm unleashed across the body, killing the guilty and the innocent alike. It was a war of attrition, and we were running out of ammunition. Superbugs began to rise, silent, invisible, and immune to everything we built against them. Humanity found itself on the brink of a microscopic rebellion. But the phage fights differently. It's not chaos, it's precision. A living scalpel honed by billions of years of evolution. It doesn't spread destruction, it delivers judgment. Descending like a molecular assassin, it scans the microbial battlefield with purpose. It's binding proteins, searching for a perfect match. A lock it alone can open. When it finds its target, it lands with mechanical grace, its tail fibers anchoring with surgical accuracy. Then, with a single contraction, it pierces the membrane and injects its code. A microscopic infiltration that rewrites life itself. It doesn't even glance at your cells. To the phage, you are invisible, irrelevant. It's a predator with one target. A weapon that brings order to chaos and delivers healing through destruction. Below the waves, a viral apocalypse happens every second. Invisible to the naked eye, yet vast in influence. They are the hidden regulators of our blue planet. When a phytoplankton bloom grows too fast, threatening to tip the ocean's balance, a viral counterattack begins. Billions of invisible hunters descend, infecting and dismantling entire colonies, turning a flourishing bloom into a field of fallen cells. These microscopic assassins prevent collapse, keeping life in balance through destruction. And when they kill, they feed. Every cell they burst releases a flood of organic matter, carbon, nitrogen, life's essential ingredients. This is the viral shunt, a process that transforms death into renewal. By recycling this material, viruses fuel the entire marine food web, from bacteria to whales. The death they bring becomes the heartbeat of the ocean. But these are not ordinary viruses. Some are larger than bacteria, carrying thousands of genes, a biological puzzle that challenges our very definition of life. Scientists now believe these giant viruses may hold clues to the origins of complex organisms. They blur the line between the living and the non-living, between predator and creator. In their strange genetic archives lie ancient secrets, remnants of evolutionary experiments that shaped life as we know it. Every drop of seawater holds more viruses than there are stars in the Milky Way. Together, they recycle half of Earth's carbon each day, quietly sustaining the rhythm of our planet's heartbeat. They are not destroyers. They are designers. The unseen engines that make our oceans breathe. Our final frontier is space. But as we leave Earth behind, we carry with us an entire universe, our own biology. The journey to Mars means months of deep space radiation, isolation, and stress. Each one a silent challenge to the immune system, a test of how life adapts when removed from its home planet. Within each astronaut are ancient passengers, dormant viruses that have lived in our cells for decades. Herpes viruses, varicella zoster, the same ones that cause chickenpox and shingles. On Earth, they sleep under the watch of a balanced immune system. But in deep space, under cosmic radiation and the constant hum of stress, these viral ghosts begin to stir. NASA's scientists are listening. On the Artemis II mission, astronauts collect saliva on tiny sheets of absorbent paper, simple, weightless data vaults. Before flight, during the voyage, and after return, these samples will tell a story written in molecules, revealing how deep space alters hormones, immunity, and viral activity. Every drop of saliva becomes a map, a molecular record of how the human body fights to stay itself beyond Earth's protection. For decades, scientists have seen traces of viral reactivation aboard the International Space Station. Now, Artemis II will take this knowledge farther, beyond low orbit, into the unshielded realms of deep space. Here, they hope to uncover the exact molecular switches that awaken dormant viruses, to decode the stress response of life itself in the vacuum of the cosmos. By studying these space viruses, scientists are not just learning how to defend astronauts. They're uncovering the molecular blueprint for protecting human life anywhere in the cosmos. The virus, once our oldest adversary, is now our teacher, giving us the map to secure human health for our destiny among the stars. From killing superbugs and balancing our climate, to guarding the pioneers of our solar system, viruses are rewriting their own story. They are not just agents of destruction, but the architects of adaptation. Every viral shell is a molecular key, a design perfected by evolution, now repurposed by science. In nanotechnology, they become programmable machines, assembling materials atom by atom. In gene therapy, they deliver hope, carrying repaired DNA into the heart of broken cells. And in personalized medicine, they are transformed into precision instruments, engineered to target only what's diseased, leaving the rest of life untouched. Humanity once feared them. Now we collaborate with them. The same entities that once toppled civilizations are becoming the allies that could preserve them. From pandemics to planetary expansion, the future of life on Earth and beyond will be written not just in our DNA, but with the molecular handwriting of the virus itself. As a member of our community, you're invited to embark on a thrilling journey through the most fascinating corners of our world and beyond. Discover the mysteries of the ocean depths, the secrets of ancient civilizations, the wonders of the natural world, and the awe-inspiring beauty of the cosmos. Our soothing storytelling will transport you to far-off lands and distant galaxies, leaving you inspired and amazed. Join us as we explore the incredible diversity of our planet and the interconnectedness of all life. Become part of a community of curious minds who share a passion for learning and discovery. As a member, you'll enjoy exclusive perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to comments, and the chance to suggest new topics. Plus, earn loyalty badges, unlock exclusive content, and join our members-only community. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure. Curious for more? Explore the wonders of science on our YouTube channel. Visit our homepage, pick your favorite topic, and dive into fascinating discoveries. With a new science story every week, there's always something incredible waiting for you. Subscribe now and never miss an adventure.